Chandni and welcome to Chunky Art, your go-to place for creative exploration and artistic inspirations. And I'm super excited to kickstart our first video. On this channel, you'll be able to deep dive into the world of colors, imagination, and anything and everything that you can think about when it comes to art and craft. And today, we would be working on our very first project, that is creating the banner image for our channel, that is Chunky Art. So what are you waiting for? Grab your pen, paper, pencil, colors, anything and everything that you want, and let's get started. Okay, so to create the banner image, these are the things we would require. I have taken 5 different colored A4 sheets and 2 white A4 sheets. I'll tell you the reason why. Along with that, to cut the letters, we would require a pair of scissors, to sketch, a pen and a pencil, and to do some refinement work, a black pen. It can be any type of black pen. It can also be a felt pen. Alright, so let's get started. What I'm thinking about the banner image is, it'll just be the name of my channel, which is Chunky Art, and we will be using colored letters to write that. So let's figure out what the style of the fonts would be like. And using this, we will actually cut the colored papers. Obviously, you can share your thoughts in the comments about what all other different ways we can have this banner image. Much appreciated. But let's get started with our first idea here, our very first video. So I'm thinking I'll just keep it very simple, so that anyone and everyone can follow this and even create their own cutout for their channel name, or their group name, or their school project, anything. So it will be a very simple step-by-step process. So first we will just write our name of the channel in the desired font here. So let's say that is C, and I'm going to keep the letters separate here, and we can try out different permutation and combinations of how to arrange the letters to make it a little more quirky and a little more funny. So that's our chunky. We'll come back to art later. First, let's finalize the first half of the channel name first. So instead of redrawing all the letters on the colored sheet, what I'll be doing is I'll trace it out. I'll put the white sheet on top of the colored sheet. So let's say I'm choosing letter C to be red. So I have taken the red sheet and I have placed the white sheet on top of the red sheet. And what I'll do is, use this tracing technique here. This I used to do in school, and this actually worked. So just flatten your pen, this pen or pencil mainly. Just flatten your pencil this way and try to cover the pencil lines. So
So this is a technique that I used to follow in school. Easy way of tracing without using a tracing paper. So I'll repeat the same. Let's hope the line has come clearly on the red paper now. See, it has. Now let's move on to H. So for H also, we will repeat the same. Final letter for the word chunky is complete. Okay, just draw the lines here a bit. And now, you know the final process for getting these letters out is to cut the letters using your scissors. If you have a paper scissor, well and good. If you are using normal scissors, you'll have to be very careful while you're cutting your lines. So we have finished cutting all the letters for the first word, chunky. And for art, we would require another white sheet. Like this is something like this. And make sure it's a bold line. You don't have to be very worried about if it's matching the pencil line or not. That is just for your guidance. Now it's time to cut these letters. So that's how it's gonna look. Now let me cut the letters. Pen knife to cut the inside piece of this A. So you'll have to be very careful. Kids who are trying this out, you should be doing this in presence of your parents or any elderly person, because this is risky. Make sure you have something underneath your paper which you are cutting, so that you don't cut through and you damage whatever is beneath it. Okay.
that banner image now looks like. Thank you for staying with me, and I would love to see what you have drawn at your end. So don't forget to share your images as well. I'll be waiting for it. Also, if you have liked the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly. Also, if you like cartooning, you must stay tuned for the upcoming series that I am planning. Till then, bye bye and stay colorful.